Today we are reviewing the M1 open top self-cleaning cat litter box from Neakasa. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. I have always wanted to try out an automatic cat litter box and live a life of hands-free daily cleaning, and I'm sure you do too. So I'm hoping this automatic litter box saves the day. Inside the box you'll find easy to follow instructions, 2 rolls of 7.2 liter thick litter bags, the long braided for safety wall plug, and the litter mat adhesive for the provided large litter mat. Quick snap-in legs is the only thing you have to assemble. They lock in with no hardware needed. Plug in the power cord and you're all set up. The underneath tray has a super large receptacle and the bag changing and installation process is super easy. Add your favorite litter and you're all set. The automatic leveling feature will handle the rest. It didn't take long for my curious cats to start using the new litter box. Even though it was higher up than they're used to, it didn't seem to bother them at all. The one thing I did notice is that the cockpit of the unit is not very big, and my cats seem to be bunched up a little bit while inside compared to the litter box that they are currently used to using. And my orange gremlin here is barely 4 months old. After a few minutes, the litter box auto cleans. This unit is so quiet that you will only hear the sounds of sliding litter as it empties itself automatically. I do not see a hazard to my cats when this action is happening. My concern is that my cats will be too curious about the unit, but I don't see this being an issue at all. There is an app with many functions, including letting you know when the litter is low, when the bin is full, and it can keep bathroom habits for up to 3 cats, and so much more. This is my first automatic litter box. I do like how quiet it is. I do like how safe it feels for my cats. I do like that I do not have to clean my litter box daily. Hooray! I would have loved to have a larger inside for my cats, but I think I mind more than they do. We recommend this.